Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, August the 17th, August the 18th, 2024. It's today, Sunday. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Turns out it's a 0-stars puzzle. We have 3 puzzles left, the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 9115. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 24. Yes. 4-star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 3 2s, 2 3s, 4 4s. Well, 1 2 5s, 4 6s. Well. 3 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 4s and the 6s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? Well, let me, I see something here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column, middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have 3 and a 4 in this big square, so no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Need a 3 here. And how about these 3 missing numbers in the middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. And look, we have 5 in this row. No 5 there. We have 5 in row above, so no 5. So the only place left with 5 should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. Alright. So we need a 3 here. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Oh, we have a 3 here already. Okay. How about 6, 6? Well, in this row, the middle row, we need a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here give me 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here give me 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the last column, no 6 there. The only place left is 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6. You need 6 there. Well. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 2. We have a 1 and 2 in this big square, so no 1 and 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the first row? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. 7, 9, and 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Yeah. Well, complicated, but let me show you. Oh, let me start with 2 first. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left, the row between, the only place left 2 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 4 missing numbers. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. The 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the only 2 places left, 2 could be here, could be there. Here we have 2. Cannot complete the 2's. Alright. How about the 8 then? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have a 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this last column. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, 8 could be here, could be there. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. That means in this row, the 8 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Because in this row, here came in 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. And we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left, 8. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. 1, 1. Yeah. In this middle row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 in the middle row could be here, could be there. So I need a 1 there. Okay. 1, 1. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. I need a 4 here and there. 6, 9. Need a 9 here. We have a pair. The 1 and a 9 in this column. The 1 and a 9 in that middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left with 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. So I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left with 7 should be there. Need 7 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, 8 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Alright. We have 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Same for the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left of 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 is missing. No, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5 and 8. Almost made a mistake. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 and 8. We have 8 now in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 5 goes there. 5 in the third row. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. All right. 9 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 9 goes there. All right, and now, 3 and a 5. Okay. The 7. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 3 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 in the second column. No 7 there. The only place left of the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. All right. Then, let me see. 3 and, yeah, 2. No. The 9. I need a 9 here. How about the 8 then? 8. I need an 8 here. No, I cannot continue with 8. 3 and 5. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, need a 1 here. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below. Only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column. 9 in the second column. So the third column. Only place left for 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 1 goes there. 3 in the first column. 3 in the second column. So the third column. The only place left with 3 should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. The final 2 numbers. 3 and the 5 again. 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Well. But I'm faster than 20 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. You can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.